17 August 1871. I am one of the 5 children of Susan Catherine Werner and Milton Wright. As a child, I was mischievous and curious boy, and my family encouraged my intellectual development. In 1878, my father brought home a toy helicopter for me, based on an invention by French aeronautical pioneer Alphonse Penot. Me and my brother was fascinated by the toy, and from that moment, my passion about aeronautics was born. My work is selling and repairing bicycles. I have a store in Dayton, Ohio. I ran the store with my brother. His name is Wilbur Wright. Together, we sell and repaired bicycles and motorcycles. Me and my brother are the inventor of planes. I am also a pilot trainer. At the store, me and my brother studied and made the 3 twin-wing gliders, and our dream is to make a plane. Me and my brother followed the latest flying news. When the famous German aviator Otto Lilienthal, whose research they had studied, died in a glider crash. Me and my brother convinced that with better designs, human flight was possible. Me and my brother took our work to Kitty Hawk, North Carolina, where heavy winds was more conducive to flying, and we began experimenting with wings. Me and my brother observed a bird angled their wings to balance and control their bodies during flight. Utilizing our concept of wing warping and movable rudder, we developed a design that had eluded all who come before ours. On December 17, 1903, me and my brother succeeded in making the first free-controlled flight of power-driven plane. Today, we, the Wright brothers, are considered the fathers of modern aviation. That's the story about me and my brother, so thank you very much.